say that, we tell all the teams this, that, this group of mentors that you see, whether it's Mr. Rocky DeTomo, Miss Jennie Thompson, or all the other mentors, we're all really passionate about this. And we like to say we have our most experienced mentor, Mr. Forrest. He's also our youngest at heart mentor, and his enthusiasm shows through all the time. And I think it's fantastic to get that to the next generation, that, this is a fun business to be in. We want to be in it who would retire from this business? It's so much fun. Of course, Mr. Forrest, multiple careers. Like we say, he loves it so much, he can never give up.
Retired from 2 companies, maybe 3 projects, and very interested in this Evolve program.
Yeah, and he's now in his 4th career. Evolve is his 4th career. Mr. Laguros, who was a mentor last year, was sitting at the executive table here. He tried to retire, but fortunately, we dissuaded him from that. He now works for IHS. He was at Marathon many years. Of course, Mr. Rocky DeTomo at the very founding of Evolve in 2014.
Yep.
Many years at Shell, has done many things.
Yep. It took some years of convincing people that we could do this and that it was important. So it's really exciting to see where we've come.
Miss Jennie Thompson, 10 years at Tenneco, and she corrected me yesterday, 26 years at ConocoPhillips, not 25. And there's a DSG, a workstation power user. And by the way, for our board members, this is not a teaching course. A lot of this is hands-on. We're literally telling them how to use Kingdom, how to use Petrel, how to use DSG. And Miss Jennie is one of our most powerful users of DSG. Mr. Gordon Holmes, recent chief geophysicist or geophysical manager at Noble Energy, at Houston Energy, many years of experience, expert in, I'm going to say, amplitudes, AVO in the Gulf of Mexico, and other things. And Mr. Scott King, who's began with BP and smaller companies like Texcon, but he's a business person. He has raised money. So he has been part of two small companies, one of which went public. And again, Evolve, we teach business too. It's not just technical, waveless are nice and deconvolution, but we teach them how to make money. That's what it's about. I think what we gave you today would probably take you 4 or 5 years to get all that learning in your career. Maybe anyone else want to comment on that?
It took me 10.
It took me 10, there you go.